That was a good one.
You can't even put it in perspective. This is it? I'm just gonna give it a go, bro. Alright, just waxed up for the first time in my life the big wave board. The 8-2, the gift from Big Frank, absolute G. We got maybe 15 minutes till the sun goes down. I'm just trying to paddle out, see what's going on out there. I don't even expect to get out all the way to the break. I don't really even expect Mito to be able to try to keep track of my tiny little body over this giant wave. Surfline's claiming 18 plus on the sets. So throwing on the 5 mil, wish us luck.
Back there. Oh my god. That's the thug zone. Where are you, bub? He's just getting pounded. If he got past that, he's golden. Oh my god. Look at the bomb. Oh my god. He's just in that. There he is. Boom. Brutalized. Oh my god. That was so hard to find you there, bub.
Does she run? Does she stoke?
Let's get her going.
Remember last month when we talked about going somewhere?
Yeah, dude, we blew it. Does she fire up? Where's that pack? Shout out that pack company again.
What do we got there?
Hulkman 5000.
I don't know, but it felt right. Charge up.
Look at that, ready. It just
100%. Look at that.
what?
Are you kidding me? Jeffro, did you see that?
We got a start. We got a fresh start. We got a fresh start, Jeffro.
Do you think it would still have been running from last winter?
It's ready to go to freaking Connecticut.
Florida.
What a jumper box.
This thing is so sick, dude. The Hulkman.
Dude, literally a Hulkman 5K.
Half a quart. Lucas, baby? For the boys? They're claiming best motor oil in the game. Still needs more.
Alright, apparently we lost the Dale was driving through Utah a couple months ago. The gray black waste tank fell onto the ground and we were dragging it underneath. Classic case of the salt eating away at the vehicles. So he Jimmy Rigged.
Straight from your boy, look at that. When it falls out, just strap her back up.
Dude, I'm getting real emotional. This is... We gotta get in here and never leave, bro.
We really do, huh?
I'm already setting up my ducks, dude. I feel like we've been in here the whole time. Freaking out.
Alright, beginning of the NAR for 2022.
How does it feel that I was driving away from you right now? Beginning of the tour.
It doesn't feel good, I tell you that. It's a very empty feeling, but
Hasta
we'll be in
mañana.
it. Mañana.
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 Alright, here we go. Me and Wayne heading back to the ocean. We got a big rig and potentially TCAP?
Yes.
I don't know about that.
Yes.
We're just gonna stop. One. Make sure it's, yep. Don't miss that. Someone hit our car last night. Broke the mirror. That's how this road is. Good morning. Dude, what?
Yeah, bro!
You made it before TCAP?
Can you believe I made it? You guys thought I was never gonna make it. The RV's here, the boys are here. We gotta come to San Francisco and at least get annihilated a little bit.
Your drone works? Mine's busted. Can we get some drone clips?
Dude, we're gonna get some drone clips of windmills, little graffiti, an RV, and ocean. It's gonna be good.
This is a heavy one. We got daily here, which is almost as rare as having TCAP here. Yesterday I paddled out. Surfline was claiming 18 plus on the sets. Here's kind of how it works daily. There's 4 sandbars, and that's just sections of where the wave is breaking. The first one is the shore break.
Yeah.
Then you could potentially be surfing that one. Then the second one jacks up on the inside and is like a really sick wave, probably head high, gnarly, dredging on the beach, barreling.
That's gnarly. I want to be on the first, and then I'm going to try the second, and then we'll see from there.
We'll see what goes on. It's kind of just one of those situations in life where you have to humble yourself, and the more you fight it, and the more you resist it, the more energy is going to be deprived from you. So you kind of just got to go with the flow. Yesterday I got sucked into the rip current, which I was actually stoked on. It pulled me out to the third break, which is the stand-up reform, and that's from the fourth one, which is the gnarly one. I got pulled all the way out there last night. I was right in front of the fourth break. It was triple overhead. Sand was boiling. I didn't want to be there. It was dark. It was late. I knew Mito didn't even have eyes on me because the sun was going down. And when the giant wave creeps over the horizon and you're losing the little bit of light that you have as you're being ripped out into a current, yeah, it's just not safe. So today we got some rest. We woke up. We put a brand new leash on the step up. We've been watching the waves for a while. A bunch of the locals here have been claiming it's actually not that gnarly. It's a lot more mellow than yesterday. The current has switched 180 degrees and it's heading north now, which is insane, but they're saying we don't really need the guns. So I really love the comfortability of this step up right here. I got it in Indonesia. It is a 6'3", 18 7/8 by 2 7/16. Christensen pintail. We got the quad set up in. Got the brand new leash rope in. Professionally not assisted by Brent Nessa himself. We're calling this the uni knot. Uni to uni. We're throwing the 8mm leash on. Throw meat weighing on the long lens. Claim you're gonna be able to keep the eyes on us today.
Yes.
You know, a little bit more light. To be honest, if you're gonna wish anybody luck, just give all the luck to Daly.
If I get one, we're dreaming.
That's what I'm claiming.
Stay there, bud. Oh my God, I missed it. Did I get that? Waves are huge. Oh my God. Are the boys out there? Oh my God. I can't get over how gnarly this is. Look at that one right there! grinder. That was a straight Subway hoagie. All right, we gotta get this post-surf breakdown while it's fresh. A lot of emotions going through the body. You're just stoked. You had the right idea. You were going out there to get bodied. I had way too high of intentions. I set goals for myself that I just feel like I'm going to be able to accomplish too soon. Honestly, I've been snowboarding so much, haven't been surfing enough to be paddling out and trying to surf those type of conditions. It is super park and you want to be training, you want to be on point. It's so difficult, not only just to surf, that you literally can't even film.
I caught what counts probably 7 waves. 2 of them were small. 3 of them were pretty big. One of them I would say was 8 foot, couple lefts, and then I got 1 or 2 bombs that I was claiming in the water, either 10 or 12 foot. Just big old drop-ins. Kicked out the back, honestly, punched out the back because we were getting ripped by the current so far out of sight of the camera, and it was pushing me into one section that was either not breaking or it was a rip tide, and I had to constantly pull myself back in. Didn't know where Daly was, didn't know where TCAP was, didn't know where Mito was. Mito was saying the same thing about all 3 of us, and at one point I was screaming in the water. Within seconds, realized that I should actually be grateful that I'm not dead and that I have the ability to be upset that I'm not out there just ripping in conditions like that. So a lot of humbling, a lot of gratitude, a lot of just straight getting throttled. And yeah, it took a couple hammers. That was my goal, was to just take like 2 or 3 beatings from the biggest waves out there and be able to handle it. And I did. So we're grateful, but I am still itching to surf. I feel like I didn't surf.
And when it's A-framing all around you and you just can't be in that spot at that time, it's pretty frustrating.
Especially when you know you can, and it's happening right in front of you, and you're watching open barrels like literally 15, 20 feet on each side of you. It's gnarly, but we're paying the dues. Basically boot packing the trail. We're going to have sleds, and we're going to have skis at one point. Daly's going to be towing me in.
I'll be doing towing and working on my duck dive. It's gnarly.
What do you think?
It was insane just to watch it. And surviving it, whew, it's a whole thing.
It's real. Oh my God. The sets are gonna grind. Look at it.
Oh my
It's a small
God.
one. It's flaking, Oh my God, we're on it! That's shortboard left.
No, come get that can.
You're wrenching a turn.
Get out there.
I gotta go grab a wave.
Yeah. Get it down.